All right, back with another edition of Where is Martin's? This time we are in not New York City, that is New York City, right across the water there. Just a quick 15-minute drive without traffic, which is never. But we're in Jersey City, New Jersey, and we're going to check out Diesel and Duke. Awesome burger shop. They have a few locations, burgers, shakes, fries, all that good stuff, and they are using the Martin's potato rolls exclusively for their burgers. Let's go check out, see what they got. What made you choose the Martin's potato roll? That you use those strictly, right?
That's it, just Martin's, nothing else. Been since day one. It's just the most superior bun on the market, honestly. You know, there's nothing that really compares to it. I mean, there's obviously other great bread out there, but for our style and what we do, it has the best flavor, the best, holds up to the burger the best, and I think that's what pretty much draws people to it the most is the durability of it,
Right.
and the flavor with that as well.
Yeah.